Aadidev. Today I am going to teach you a new summer cooler with fruits: carrot, apple, cucumbers, watermelon, and grapes, and lemon for vitamin C.
Okay. So what are we going to do next? How will we make the juice?
With first carrot.
Okay. So you're going to put the carrot in the juicer?
Mommy, please help me with mixer to on.
Okay, wait. I'll start it for you.
Okay.
Open the lid. Put the carrot in. Put more carrots inside. Put
Okay.
2 more pieces.
Okay. Now.
Okay. Now I'm going to turn it on. Press it. Very good. Put more. Very good.
Carrot juice.
Yes, there's a carrot juice. Now put more pieces.
It's squeezed. Yes, but little bit there.
It's okay.
Put more carrots in it and push it out.
Shall I turn it on?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes. It's too noisy.
Very good.
Next is the apple. Let's put it in. Turn it on.
You can put more pieces.
Okay.
Put some more pieces.
Yes. Okay.
Put, yes, okay. Wait, I'll turn it on.
On low.
It's on low. Now put more pieces. Put more apples.
I want to see what's coming from here.
Yes.
I
Put
can
more
smell
apples.
it.
Yes. Quickly. You have to be a little quicker on that. Put some more. More. I'll help you with that. Okay, open it. There you go. There you go. Put that other one in here. Okay, very good. Now what's come next? Put the cucumbers next.
Cucumbers.
Put more. Yes.
Oh, it's mine.
Put more. Open
Wow,
it.
it's
Open
like
it.
rain.
Open the lid. There you go.
Wow, I love that sound.
You love it. Here's
This
another
sound I
piece of
love.
an apple.
Apple.
Okay, now put the melons.
Wow.
I'm going to turn it off for a bit.
Okay.
Put the watermelons inside. Put more pieces.
It's little bit broken.
It's okay. Just crush it with the lid. Crush it with the lid.
Oh, wow, big.
Put it.
Oh, it's
Put more pieces.
full.
Okay, crush it with the lid. Yes, now put more pieces. Put some more pieces. Yes.
Okay. That is it.
Yes, put more.
More?
Yes. As many as you can fit over there. Just press it with the lid and you can, I'm sure you can put some more inside.
Yes. That's full.
Good. I'll help you turn it on. Crush it. Very good.
Wow.
Okay, let's turn that off and put the rest of the watermelon pieces inside. So,
Yes.
you want to put some more melon pieces with me?
Yes.
Yes, do so.
Wow. This.
Yes. Fill it up and then crush it with the lid.
It's
Put some more. It's full?
Yes.
I'm sure you can fit in some more.
Okay. Okay, now.
Okay.
Turn it on.
Let's have fun. Yay! You like this?
From here?
Yes.
Yes.
See?
It's full.
See how much juice we got?
Yes.
Looks great. Okay, let's do this again. Let's put some more melons.
Yes.
Open the lid. Open the lid and go on.
Yes, it's sharp
Put some more.
down. Mm.
Put it faster.
Wow, this is too big.
It's okay. It'll fit. Put all the
That's
pieces.
too big.
You have to put all of it. Just put it inside.
More we can put inside.
I'll help you. Move.
My hand.
That's okay. Okay, it's full. So now crush it. Yay!
My hand is
It's okay. Open the lid.
too sharp inside. It's still moving. Now we have grapes. Let's juice the grapes.
Okay. Put as many as you can. You can put all of it if you want.
Yes.
Slowly, but make sure you don't drop them down. Okay.
Yes. It's coming up. Coming up next.
From Little Chef Aadidev.
Yes.
Is this a Superyogi drink?
Yes.
Yes. You're my little Superyogi.
Yes.
Okay.
Put it on.
You filled it up? Okay.
Yes.
Oh, that's okay. Okay. That's fine. Okay, let's fill it up.
I was scared.
That's okay. You don't have to be scared. Look here. Come on.
Grapes?
I'll help you with it. You also add some more.
Okay.
Put more grapes.
Juicy?
Juicy?
Yes. See? Very juicy.
Okay.
Pumpy.
Come on, let's juice it then.
Whoa. So now our juice is ready. Let's add some lemon for you can fight corona.
What does lemon have that will fight corona?
Vitamin C.
Oh, that's why you're adding
You
lemon.
have to put like this
Okay. Good. Come on. And then?
squeeze it.
Okay.
Oh.
Come on, you're strong.
Yes,
Very
I
good.
squeezed it.
Okay.
Mama, can you please help me to fill this up?
Okay, sure, I will.
Thank you, Mama. So now our yummy juice is ready. Let's mix it. Close tight. And mix it.
Okay. Now taste it and tell me.
Okay. This is our Superyogi juice of the day.
So what happens when you drink this?
We become powerful.
Okay. And stronger?
Yes.
It's good for us?
Yes. Stay healthy, stay home, stay safe.